Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We'll write a Python program to find if the given number is prime or not. So the very first thing you need to understand what is prime number. Okay, what is prime number? So a prime number is a natural number which is greater than 1 and it can be divided by only 1 and that number itself. So if you understand it again, if I'll tell it again, a prime number is a natural number which is greater than 1 and this number can be divided by only 1 and the number itself. So what are the examples of prime number? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. Is 9 a prime number? No, 9 is not a prime number. Why? Because 9 is divided by 1, 9 is divided by 3, 9 is divided by 9. So what we are telling, if a number is divided by only 1 and the number itself, for example 2, so 2 can be divided by 1 and 2. Similarly, if we take the example of 3, right, 3 can be divided by 1 and 3. 5, same case, 5 is divided by only 1 and 5. 7 can be divided by 1 and 7. But in case of 9, if you will divide 9 by 3, you will get the result as 0. So 9 is not a prime number. If it is divided by only 1 and the same number itself, then it is a prime number. I hope you understood it through our mathematics, how we calculate whether a number is prime or not. Now we will write a Python program to check if a number is prime or not. So first of all, we will take one variable. So I will take variable as num, okay, equal to 9, okay, number is equal to 9. Then we will take another variable. So again it is a boolean, so flag, okay, so flag equal to, initially we will set it as false. I'll tell you, I will explain you what we are doing here, right, everything I will explain you, don't worry for now. Then what we'll tell, we'll write a if block. If number is greater than 1, then what we'll say, if number is greater than 1, then we will start a for loop. I'll tell you why I am doing if number is greater than 1. So we'll tell for I, then how we'll write a for loop, for I in range, okay, and in range what we'll give, we'll give 2 and then number divided by 2. I'll explain you everything, don't worry for now. Then what we'll say, if number mod I is equal to 0, then we will say flag is equal to true. Then we will put a break statement, okay. Then what we will do, we will write if flag, okay, then we will print. What we will print? We will print number is not a prime number. I will explain you everything, don't worry. Don't think that I am just writing the program. Else number is a prime number, okay. So this is the code. So let's execute and see first. I have taken number as 9. So basically it is not a prime number, right? So run prime number. Okay, we have a syntax. Okay, I have written a semicolon here, right? Like a Java program. You should not be doing it. Okay. If number percentage I equal to 0. Okay, this was missing. So okay, in Python it is very important then you should put break. Okay, let me run it. See, 9 is not a prime number. Okay, so how it worked, that we need to understand, right? How it worked. 9 is not a prime number. Similarly, let's put 7. Let's see if we are getting the result. 7 is a prime number. Okay, so now let me put it as 9 and let me explain you. So I have taken one variable num, I have taken another variable flag which is equal to false. In this number I have given as 9. You can again input any number and you can find the result. If, then we are starting if number is greater than 1. Why we did if number is greater than 1? Because we are telling a prime number is a natural number which is greater than 1. That is why the first condition we put if number is greater than 1, then we will enter inside the loop. So 9 is the number, 9 is greater than 1, yes, so we will enter inside the loop. For I in range 2, so we are writing here a for loop. So I, the initial value is 2 and then number divided by 2. So 9 divided by 2 means what? 9 divided 2 means you will get 4, right? And remainder you will get as 1. So 9 divided by 2, which is nothing but your 4. So the range is 2 to 4. We are telling for I in range 2 to 4, if, then again we are coming inside, right? If number mod I. So what is the norm value now? Norm is 9. Mod is what? Mod is mod of I means 2. If number divided by 2 is equal to 0, no. 9 divided by 2 is it equal to 0? No. So it will not if this condition satisfy, right, it will come inside. So basically this condition is not satisfying because 9 mod 2 is not equal to 0. So it will go up again. Now what is the I value? I value will be increased to 3. So it will come inside if num value again it is 9 mod of 3. What will happen? 9 divided by 3 is equal to 0, right? The condition is satisfied, then it will come inside. Flag equal to true. It means the flag value, earlier it was false, now the flag value became true, and we put a break statement, means we are breaking the loop here. We are telling our loop should be ended here, it should not get executed more. Okay, now we are coming here. If flag, it means we are telling if flag is equal to true, then we will tell number is not a prime number. Now your flag is already true here, so here you are printing is not a prime number. Okay, if your flag value is equal to false, in that case it will be a prime number. Let's take an example of 7. So now I hope you understood how this 9 worked, right? Let's take an example of 5, let's say 5 or 7. Okay, so when number equal to 7, let's execute. You see it is giving 7 is a prime number. How it is working? Let's see. Again the same thing, we have two variables, number equal to 7, flag equal to false, num and flag. If number is greater than 1, 7 is greater than 1, yes. For I in range 2 and number divided by 2. So for inside the for loop, we are telling the range is starting from 2 and 7 divided by 2. 7 divided 2 means it is the result will come as 3. So 2 to 3. Okay, if number mod of I, number is 7, I value equal to 2, 7 divided by 2 is equal to 0, no. So it will not come inside. Again it will go up, the I value will increase, I value is equal to 3 now. If 7 divided by 3 is equal to 0, no. So it will not come inside. Okay, now it will go and I value will increase, but it is not inside the range. So because the range is 2 to 3. Now if the I value will increase and I value is 4, so basically this loop will not execute more. Okay, now it will come here. If flag, what is the flag value? Flag value is false because it didn't come inside, right? So flag value is equal to false. So basically this statement will not execute and it will come here and this statement will execute. Number is a prime number. Okay, so similarly you give any number, for example we are giving 21. Okay, so run as prime number. see here 21 is not a prime number, because you know 21 can be divided by what? It can be divided by 1, it can be divided by 3, it can be divided by 7, it can be divided by 21. So, it is not a prime number. So, how it will execute? Again, num and flag we have, number is greater than 1, 21 is greater than 1, it will come inside. For I in range 2, it will start from 2, and number divided by 2 means 2 divided by 21 divided by 2, which is equal to 10. If number mod of I means, what is the number value? Number value is 21, 21 divided by I is equal to 0. No, it will not come inside. Again, it will go up. I value will be 3. If 21 mod of 3 is equal to 0, yes, because 21 mod 3 is equal to, you will get 0, right? It will come inside, flag equal to true. So, when the flag equal to true, it will break the loop here, because we have put a break statement. If flag means flag is true, so it will print this one, 21 is not a prime number. So, I hope you understand how you can put any number and how you can find if it is a prime number or if it is not a prime number. Okay. One more thing, here we are directly inserting the number. If you don't want to insert a direct number here, you can also do like this, number is equal to int, okay. Then you can put input, then enter a number, okay, and now you can execute. So, here you enter any number, for example, I will put 33. See, 33 is not a prime number. Similarly, if I will execute one more time, I will put here 7, 7 is a prime number. So, anything you can put and you can find the result. I hope this video is helpful and you understood how to write a Python program and check if it is a prime number or not. If you like it, please press the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.